You know that stubborn layer of dirt on your driveway, car, or patio that just refuses to come off, no matter how hard you scrub? Well, what if you could blast all of that away in seconds? Meet the Sunjoe electric pressure washer model SPX3000. This compact beast delivers up to 2030 psi of power and 1.76 gallons per minute of water flow. Translation? It means business. Whether you're cleaning your house siding, car, RV, or your dog's muddy kingdom, aka the backyard, this machine gets it done. It comes with 5 spray tips, from a laser-sharp 0-degree Airstream to a wide 40-degree Earth fan, and even a dedicated soap nozzle. So whether you need power or precision, you've got options. And yes, switching between them is super simple. Plus, it's got 2 onboard detergent tanks. One for your car soap, one for deck cleaner. No need to stop and reload. And with a 34-inch stainless steel wand and a 20-foot pressure hose, you're covered from corner to corner without dragging it around like a suitcase. Now, it's not perfect, it's electric, so don't expect gas level intensity. And a few users mentioned the hose connector could be a little tighter. But overall, people love how easy it is to use, how portable it feels, and how satisfying it is to watch the dirt literally melt off. No surprise, this is one of the top sellers online, and a favorite among thousands of homeowners. If you want to check it out or see if it's on sale, I've added links down in the description, with some exclusive discounts you don't want to miss. And just so you know, this product was picked based on reviews, ratings, and top sales from the biggest online stores. But hey, if you've tried it or have another favorite, tell us in the comments. We love hearing your recommendations too.